What if the biggest bottleneck in biomedical innovation wasn't science, but manufacturing? Right now, researchers spend days and sometimes weeks building the tools they need before they can even begin testing ideas. Mimetic is here to change all of that. Mimetic was born out of Carnegie Mellon University. I'm founder Kevin Dye, a roboticist and materials scientist who earned my PhD in bio-inspired soft robotics, where I studied how biological principles can be translated into compliant, adaptive machines. Through that work, I saw firsthand how slow, expensive fabrication methods were holding back innovation. Mimetic is the result of that insight. In labs across the world, progress is slowed by outdated fabrication methods. Injection molding, too expensive. Custom tools take too long to produce, and iteration is slow. That means fewer experiments, delayed breakthroughs, and missed opportunities. And this problem doesn't stop at biotech. It shows up in robotics, automotive, and advanced manufacturing too. Mimetic is building a new standard, biocompatible 3D printing materials paired with high-performance hardware designed for speed, precision, and scale. We combine optical transparency, flexible rubber-like materials, and compatibility with living tissue environments. Our systems deliver high resolution and high throughput at a competitive price point. So instead of waiting weeks, teams can design, print, and test in the same day. Mimetic integrates advanced material science with purpose-built 3D printing systems. Our specialized resins enable transparency, flexibility, and performance in demanding environments, while our hardware is engineered for rapid, high-volume production without sacrificing precision. The result is a seamless workflow where teams can move from concept to functional prototype in a fraction of the time. Less friction, fewer constraints, and faster iteration at every step. When you remove the friction of manufacturing, everything accelerates. More experiments, faster iteration, and better outcomes. Researchers spend less time building tools and more time pushing boundaries. And across industries, companies unlock faster prototyping and more efficient production workflows. Mimetic is part of the Robotics Factory Accelerate cohort. Inside this ecosystem, we're advancing our materials and hardware alongside some of the most innovative robotics and deep tech companies in the country. It's a launchpad designed for companies building the future of physical technology. Our goal is simple: make advanced manufacturing as fast and accessible as the ideas it brings to life. From biomedical research to next generation robotics, Mimetic is building the tools that power what comes next. If you are building in a space where speed, precision, and iteration matter, Mimetic is your advantage. This is not just 3D printing. This is manufacturing reimagined.